Hey guys, who's got a pretty new home? Well, almost. We're working on it. Let's go take a tour. All right guys, I know you have been over here probably more than I have checking this out, but it's turning out really nice. I want you to look at a couple of things. See this OSB board, omni-strand board. I mean, it's omnidirectional and how the strands are, and it's layers of wood that are glued together. This is stuff that's great for exterior cladding. Look how thick it is. Solid wood. That is awesome. We've got your various pipes, all of this PVC stuff laying in your garage. They'll get this cleaned up pretty soon. I'm not sure when. And then there's your blueprints laying on the ground. Builder would love seeing that. All right. We're working on the mechanical rough out, trying to get all the piping in, all the PEX. So the plumbers are doing a good job. And because it's not shingled, it's filthy in here, but they'll power wash it and get it all cleaned up. Just, we need the roof on ASAP. Hey Britton, are y'all listening? Get our roof on. The wood, the good thing is the wood can get wet, but it's dried to a certain point that it maintains its internal rigidity and straightness. It can dry on site, that's not a problem. Especially when it's nailed up, it'll dry in that position. And that is what Chuck was referring to. Finger jointed 2x4s, great at compression strength, not so great at lateral movement, but when you bond them together to two 2x4s, super good at lateral movement because your joints are offset, they're staggered. So not to worry. It would be virtually impossible to find a 2x4 that's virgin pine that tall nowadays, or even that tall nowadays. It'd cost you so much money, and it would have so much drift in the way it was milled, it just wouldn't be worth trying to get. So we are done for the most part. We're just waiting on the roof and the windows, and then it'll be sealed from the elements. We've got the framing pretty tight. Looks pretty good. It's kind of funky because normally when it's framed and the cladding is on, the roof's in and I can't film like this. So that's kind of cool. All right. Just some more of the moisture barrier they're putting up. So I'm pretty excited that they're using OSB board. Most folks are going to use dryline like this. I don't know if you can see it. There we go, like that. Dryline is used predominantly on exterior cladding on most surfaces. It's just because it's cheap. And it's a polymer, so it repels water. It doesn't get water soaked. See, you've got it back here. They're doing it here because of the masonry stuff. But still, the more of this we have on the house, the better. So that's why I like it. That's why I'm a big fan of it. So hopefully the windows are going to go in pretty soon. Once we get the windows in, we're sealed from the elements with the roof, and then the windows, and then the exterior cladding, and then the doors. But until that goes in, it won't be sealed. And that'll let moisture or rain keep coming into the home. We've got 4 more days of rain scheduled starting tomorrow. So there's no way they're going to put that roof on in the rain. There's no way they're going to do it until it dries out a little bit. So we're probably going to be out at least a week before they could physically roof it. And probably due to scheduling, we may be out another 2 or 3 weeks till the roof goes on. But they'll get in and power wash it and clean it all out. They're going to get a lot of the construction mess cleaned up and hopefully get the job site tidied up a bit. And then it'll look completely different. So right now it's kind of in the ugly phase and it doesn't really feel like a house. But give them 2 or 3 weeks and then it'll start really feeling like a house. And then once your drywall's up, it's going to be awesome. You're going to mentally shift gears into understanding that, yep, this is what it looks like. The room sizes will make sense. It'll feel like a house and you'll start bonding to it a lot more. All right, guys, I'll see you later. Take care. I'm going to throw a blessing at you. May God keep and bless you, cause his face to shine upon you and bring you peace till we see you again.